What is that? That's Mickey's ship. Is that a treasure box?
Yeah.
And what is that?
It's a whale.
A boat. So that's a treasure for Donald. That goes in the treasure box. So you're gonna put it there.
Yeah.
Open the treasure. Okay, good job. Open it. Put more treasures.
I found this one.
Yeah, put more treasures. Quick, quick, quick. And put Donald. Put that treasure in the box.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
No.
Weasel. The weasel. Where do you want the weasel? Mickey's doggy goes over here. Over there.
Oh, it is cute. This.
And we can put Goofy over here on the ship.
No.
You don't want Goofy over there?
No.
How about Donald? Where do you want Donald? Donald you put Donald on the slide. Put him on the slide. Yay! They're getting off the ship. Yes! Yes! And the weasel, everyone is getting off the ship. Yay! And Goofy, okay. Yeah, so the weasel is gonna go off the ship first. Yes!
It's Goofy.
Now Goofy goes off the ship. Yay! Who is that? Donald. Yay! Yes! Who's that? The doggy. Mickey's dog going off the ship. Yes! Did they find the treasure?
Yeah.
Those are Goofy's. Where is Goofy? Bring Goofy closer to his treasure. Yes! Yes! Yeah! The end.
That's your mom.
Yeah, that's our ship.